Welcome to Osborne Wood Products 2-Minute Tuesdays, where you can get the latest information about products, installation tips, or other news. I'm Jeremy McLean, Director of Marketing at Osborne, and today I'd like to share with you details of our Belmont collection. The Belmont collection is a collection of feet, dining table legs, and kitchen island legs with a 3-inch or 4-inch metal sleeve which slips over the bottom of the foot of the leg. You can select the leg to be made from any of Osborne's wide variety of stock wood species, including pine, cherry, red oak, soft maple, hard maple, alder, black walnut, hickory, mahogany, or white oak. The sleeves are available in black, gunmetal gray, brushed gold, brushed aluminum, and brushed copper. The sleeve can be removed to finish the wooden component to match your installation, and each of the Belmont legs will have a cross cut in the corner with a screw which will serve to tension the sleeve during installation. Pricing and service options include an electrical receptacle box installation, and that is available on our website. Thanks for joining me for Osborne Wood Products 2-Minute Tuesdays. You can view the Belmont collection on our website, www.osbornewood.com. If you'd like to stay up to date on product releases, installation tips, or other news, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.